a house made of fruit so sweet. Apples for the walls and bananas for my seat. The roof is made of grapes, purple and round. Strawberry curtains that swing up and down. Munch, munch, take a bite. Fruity colors, oh so bright. Oranges, berries, mango too. Come inside, there's fruit for you. Timmy loves his blueberry bed. Sammy eats cherries so juicy and red. The floor is melon, soft and cool. Peachy